Imagine if you had a whole team of super affiliates working under you, hustling to build you a whole network of affiliate sites, writing 10 articles a day for you, researching the most profitable niches for you, finding the hottest products to promote for you, selecting the highest paying affiliate programs for you, doing all the techie stuff like adding email captures, banners, setting up pages, linking multiple affiliate products to each page of your affiliate site. Now, imagine if your team of super affiliates took it one step further and linked it to all 4 passive income streams. Don't you think it would be a dream come true if you had a team hustling under you to build your affiliate site empire? Day after day, week after week, month after month. Suddenly, your life is as easy as kicking back and logging into your affiliate accounts to watch your commission soar into your account. Watch your nest egg grow, and grow while you free up your time for your friends and family. Can you imagine what that would be like? Maybe you play hooky today and go play a round of golf. Maybe you take your work on the road with you, go on a holiday and check your phone from time to time for new commissions. Maybe you watch all your money worries evaporate, so now you can sleep like a baby at night. Now you can actually enjoy time with your kids, your partner, family, and friends without worrying about the economy or inflation or your retirement account or politics. No worries because you have a whole army of super affiliates building your empire for you. There's only one problem with that. It will cost at least $1,000 per day to pay them to do it for you. That's about $30,000 per month, $365,000 per year, all out of your pocket. Unless your name is Elon Musk, I doubt you have an extra $365,000 laying around to invest in your own team who could build your affiliate empire for you. Here's the good news. A whole new team of software developers and I were able to pull off a miracle. I'll tell you all about it in a moment. First, my name is Sean Josiah and I've been in the ClickBank Platinum program for many years now. That means I have generated at least $500,000 per year in commissions on ClickBank. Fact is, I often make over $100,000 per month in affiliate commissions just on ClickBank alone. That doesn't include the fact that I'm a top 1% seller on Warrior Plus, and I absolutely rule leaderboards in affiliate contests on ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and other affiliate networks. Now that I've achieved every commission goal I've set out to achieve, and now that I've banished money worries from my mind forever, I had a thought. What now? I suddenly remembered what it was like when I first started out in affiliate marketing in 2015. I felt like I was in a jungle and all the gurus looked like hungry animals who wanted to eat my money. No one believed in me. No one at home, none of my friends, not one successful affiliate wanted to help me. I would reach out to them and I was getting ghosted left and right. I'll buy a product and it gave me more problems than an actual solution. I attended a webinar and they want $497, $997 just to give me what I could learn for free somewhere else. Salespeople would call me up and try to sell me coaching packages, and one of them actually scammed me of $10,000. None of my efforts were paying off. I was in the hole thousands of dollars. I felt like I was one emotional hair trigger away from closing down my affiliate business. Truth be told, I probably would have done that if I didn't have bullets whizzing by my head. Yes, bullets. Before I was a hotshot affiliate, I was a captain in the military. Don't get me wrong, I love serving my country, but you better believe that the prospect of sudden death motivated me to keep pushing forward with my affiliate business. So there I was, in a financial hole and in a literal foxhole. I felt like no one was there for me. I decided when I become successful, I wouldn't let anyone else find themselves in the same kind of hole I was in. That's why you're watching this video right now. I'm standing outside of that hole and I'm extending my hand to you. Reach out and grab it. I'll pull you up and dust you off. Now it's time to fulfill the promise I made to myself. Here's what my team of software and developers just made for you that will pull you out of the hole instantly. It's called OmniCommissions and it's newly released. Here's what it does for you. It will start building your affiliate site empire for you in 7 minutes from now. And guess what? You get to be among the first to try it and you get in at a discount of $487, which I'll explain in a moment. First, I want to share with you the secret of how OmniCommissions does the work of a whole team of super affiliates in just 7 minutes. My team and I have invented something called auto-linking. Here's what it means. OmniCommissions reaches into a massive article database and pulls out as many articles as you want. 100% legal, saving you hours of writing. It gives you a drop-down menu of niches to choose from, saving you hours of niche research. It taps into its product database and instantly selects an affiliate product, saving you hours of searching for products to promote. It auto-links the niche, the articles, and the affiliate products together with 4 passive streams of commissions, saving you hours upon hours of hard work. You're going to have to picture it for it to make total sense. Here's how your fully loaded article database links to 4 new income streams. See it in your mind's eye. Your affiliate links auto-link to your articles, your autoresponders auto-link to your articles, your banners auto-link to your articles, your multiple affiliate accounts auto-linked to your articles. Through the power of auto-linking, OmniCommissions built a fully functional super affiliate site with pretty much just a few clicks. It takes 7 minutes to execute what would normally take you weeks, months, or a whole team of super affiliates. OmniCommissions built your super affiliate empire one site at a time, 7 minutes at a time, through the miracle of auto-linking. I'll tell you more about what OmniCommissions will do for you. First, I want to explain your $487 discount when you order OmniCommissions now. Because when I mentioned it a moment ago, it felt like I just dropped a hand grenade and ran. You are owed an explanation. You see, OmniCommissions will be offered on the webinar soon for $497. I can't do that yet because I don't have testimonials for the product. So here's what I figured. I could offer it to a handful of people for a measly $10 and below. Monitor your progress and get all the testimonials and screenshots I need to sell this for $497 very soon. As soon as all spots are filled under $10, I'm pulling this page down as if it never existed. It will be torn down without warning. After all, I don't want everyone to know that I once offered OmniCommissions for a cost of a meal at a fast food restaurant. That would sabotage my efforts to sell it for $497. So, since you landed on this page, consider yourself blessed that you found OmniCommissions for less than $10. You'll soon see it on the webinar circuit for $497. When you order now under $10, all I ask is that you send me your testimonials in 30 to 60 days from now. If you promise to do that, then you have my $497 app for less than $10 right now. You can go ahead and order now to lock in your spot, since you never know when the order button will be pulled. My suggestion is that you go ahead and do that now just to be sure you get in, and then come back and watch the rest of this video if you want. So let's get into how OmniCommissions can take the most overwhelmed, underpaid, frustrated, fed up affiliates through the power of auto-linking to build your affiliate empire in 7 minutes at a time. Why is this app worth $497 I'm going to be charging everyone else? Picture it. 1 affiliate site in 7 minutes, 5 affiliate sites in 35 minutes, 8 affiliate sites in 1 hour from right now. OmniCommissions built 68 affiliate sites in 1 day. That's 68 sites in less than 8 hours of work. What if you only want to work 2 hours per day? That's 17 sites per day. Heck, if you want to only work 7 minutes per day, that's 1 site per day. After working just 7 minutes per day for 1 year, you would have 365 affiliate sites. Nothing beats the speed of OmniCommissions. It cranks out an entire empire of affiliate sites faster than it took me to record this video. When you get access to OmniCommissions in the moment, you're going to be shocked and delighted because you are finally free. Free from slow results, free from hard work, free from long days in front of the computer, free from expensive solution, free from techie stuff. What are you going to do with all of that newfound freedom? Maybe you used to get stressed out and fight with your wife or your husband over finances. Those days are gone. Maybe you used to deal with a boss who took all the credit for your hard work and micromanaged you like an annoying fly buzzing in your ear. But those days are gone. Maybe you used to sit at your desk and look longingly out of the window, worrying that your dream lifestyle is too far away. Those days are gone. OmniCommissions was made for beginners who are fed up with getting jerked around online, fed up with throwing money, time and effort down into a black hole, never to be seen again, fed up with being underpaid, overworked, frustrated, and have no extra time for their kids' hobbies. It's time to put your foot down and get OmniCommissions. You're going to be shocked to the core with the absolute ease and speed of auto-linking. It's going to be a game changer like you have never seen before. Nothing else will give you the same advantage as auto-linking. Without auto-linking, you have to research and find a profitable niche. What if you accidentally select a niche that keeps you broke? You'll waste days, weeks, months, or even years failing because you picked the wrong niche. Without auto-linking, you have to find high-converting affiliate programs, high-paying products. You have to write articles all day or hire someone to write them. You have to learn techie stuff to set up your websites, add banners to your pages, link products to articles, set up your lead capture devices on your pages, or hire someone to do it for you. Without auto-linking, you'll never tap into 4 passive commission streams at a time. Without auto-linking, you will be lucky enough if you successfully tap into 1 commission stream. OmniCommissions is the shortcut to super affiliate status you have been waiting for. It can take a raw rookie who's completely new to affiliate marketing and make him look like an affiliate wizard overnight. You don't have to learn all of these skills. You don't have to pay someone to do it for you. OmniCommissions simply does it all for you. It's the only app that does what a whole team of super affiliates would do for you, and it does it in 7 minutes. When was the last time someone offered to make your life this easy? Think about it. They tell you to go learn copywriting, learn social media, buy ads, learn email marketing, learn to be a technical expert, until your head feels like it's gonna burst. Guess what? That carousel of madness is never going to end. They are going to keep telling you that you need to learn everything under the sun. You're going to keep getting further and further into the hole. Unless you take my hand right now, order OmniCommissions and let it pull you out of the hole. I stake my reputation as $100,000 per month affiliate on it. So, click the buy button below and get access to OmniCommissions. Do it now before this page disappears, and you will have to pay $497 for this software later. One more thing, when you order now, you also get free bonus access to a coaching session with my friends George and Wayne, who are also 6-figure per month super affiliates. They're going to show you something called Commission GPS that's going to put OmniCommissions on steroids for you. Now, you have 2 choices. 1, get OmniCommissions now for less than $10. Or 2, wait until this temporary $487 discount ends and pay the full price of $497. The choice is yours. Now is the time to decide. I suggest you click the button below and order now. I'll see you on the inside.